Hi parents, this session will be on operations on integers. We will learn how to add and subtract the integers. So first of all, to begin with, we have to understand the concept of additive inverse. What is additive inverse? Additive inverse is exact opposite of any number. For example, if a number is 2, its exact opposite will be minus 2. And if you add them, you will get 0. Okay. For example, you can see here, this is a number line. This is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2. So 2 plus minus 2 if you do say. So if it is minus 2, you are going backwards. So 1, 2, you see your answer will be 0. So any number which is added with its additive inverse will always give you a 0. So keep this in mind. Moving forward, let us start with the addition. So addition on a number line is very easy to understand with respect to if we are taking positive or negative numbers. So for positive numbers, we already know the rules. Let us say 2 plus 3. We start with 2 here and 3 units to the right is what we have to jump. So 1, 2, 3. That means your answer is 5. Now what will happen? What will happen if your number is like this? Minus 2 plus 3. Let us say that your number is minus 2. So in that case, we will jump from minus 2 and 3 units to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Your answer will be 1. Now, if you are moving to the left, in such situation, how the numbers will look like? Let us take the example of negative numbers only. So let us say that we want to add let us say 2 plus, and here it is minus 4. Minus 4 is what we want to add. Starting from 2, you will jump 4 units backward. This is minus 4. That means you will move backward, not forward. So when we say backward, you are moving to the left. So 4 units to the left of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see your answer will be minus 2. So this is how it's easy to understand the addition and subtraction on a number line for integers. Now, this is a small exercise on additive inverse and small single digit number. So if you see 5 plus minus 5, this is additive inverse addition. As I told you before, it's going to be 0. All the additive inverse, if they are added to the number, to their own number, it will become 0. Minus 7 plus 7, they are additive inverse. You add them, it becomes 0. So you have to take care what number we are adding, whether they are same number, additive inverse. Additive inverse will always give you 0. Now look at this one. This is 5 plus minus 4. On a number line, if you make 5 is here, it's minus 4. That means you will be jumping 4 unit to the back. So this is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Your answer will be 1. What will happen if your question is like this? 6 plus minus 7. Let's check out. Same thing. You will start from 6. Let us say this is 6. Minus 7, you will be jumping from 6, 7 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This. We can put the numbers now. This is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and minus 1. So the answer will be minus 1. Now, let us check out the next one. That is minus 7 plus 8. So you are jumping from minus 7. 8, it is positive 8. So you will move to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. Your answer is 1. Now in these questions, if you see question number M, question number N, it's unique that both of them are having negative numbers. So let me show you with m. So in the case of m, we are starting from -4. Okay, so let us say this is -4. They are saying plus -3. That means you will be moving 3 units to the left. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit. So now your number is -3, sorry, -5, -6, -7. So your answer will be -7 for this one. Okay, so you have to take care after plus what number is returned, whether it is negative number, positive number. If it is negative number, you will move to the left. Let me show you with this one now. This is K, option number K. -4 plus -4. So this is -4. It's written plus -4. You will be jumping 4 units to the left. So -4, -5, -6, -7, and then we have got -8. So your answer is -8. That's it. So now this is the exercise that is given on page number 185. In the first question, they have asked us to find the additive inverse. Additive inverse is the exact opposite. So -15 is 15 is the answer. Plus 22, -22, -83, 83. If it is 64, it is -64 and so on. Okay. So this is the exercise. For 78, it will be -78. For -99, it will be 99. 14, it will be -14. So how about you give me answer for these two? Now here, use a number line to add. Just like the previous one that I have shown, you can do that. Make a number line. Let me show you for the first one, that is -6 plus 8. So let us say this is the number line. This is your -6. Make the numbers -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0. And then here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. You will be jumping from -6. If you see it's written plus 8. Plus 8 means you will be going to the forward direction, that is to the right. So let's go to the right, 8 units to the right. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit, 6 unit, 7 unit, 8 units. So you see the answer is 2. This is how you have to do. Let me show you with another example, that is question number 2, that is -3 plus -4. So here you see both the numbers have got same sign, both are minus minus. So let us make the number line, and let us say this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is 0. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. So it's saying -3. So you will jump from -3. They are saying 4 units to the left. So let's jump 4 units to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is -7. So this is how you have to do. So let me know if you have faced difficulty in any other question here in this particular set. Next is the rules of addition and subtraction in integers. Subtraction, we will learn few more tips once again in the next slides, after a few slides. So here, rules of addition is, very first one is to add two positive integers, add their absolute values, and the sum taken will be the positive sign. Now, what they mean here, let us take two positive integers. Let us say 2 and 3. You want to add them. You have to add the absolute values. What is absolute value of 2? It's 2. Absolute value of 3? It's 3. You add them, you get 3. Sorry, if you add them, you get 5 here. 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, they are saying the sum taken, the positive sign. 5 is the sum here. Since both the integers are positive, so it will be positive sum. Okay. Now here, two negative integers, add their absolute values, the sum takes the negative sign. Let us say you want to add -2 and you want to add -3. What is the absolute value? minus 2, it's 2. Absolute value of minus 3 is 3. You add the absolute values, you get 5. Both of them have got minus sign, so you will put the minus sign. This is what they mean when we say the sum takes the negative sign. Okay. Now, to add negative integer and a positive integer, find the difference of their absolute values. Let us say this is minus 8 and you want to add 2. So minus 8 plus 2, what are the absolute values? For 2, it's 2. For minus 8, absolute value is 8. They are saying find the difference. So you subtract the absolute values, you get 6. The sum takes the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. The greater absolute value is 8 here. You see 8 is greater than 2. But 8 is having minus sign. So your final answer will be the minus sign here. This is what they mean here. That the sum takes the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. Okay. Let me show you with another example. Let us say that you are having this time numbers like 6 and you plan to add minus 4. Now what is the absolute value here? For 6, absolute value is 6. For minus 4, the absolute value is 4. As per this rule, you will find the subtraction. You will subtract them, you get 2. But they are saying the number will have greater absolute value. So here you see 6 is greater than 4 and 6 is a positive number. So 2 will become positive. Okay. This is what they mean here. And rule number 4 is the sum of any integer and its opposite is 0. That is minus 2 plus 2 will be 0. Minus 3 plus 3 will be 0. That's it. The additive inverse law. That's it. Now, moving forward, find the sum using the rules of addition. So you have to find the rules of addition. For example, here 11 plus minus 8, find the absolute value. You see 11. Absolute value of 11 is 11, absolute value of minus 8 is 8. But since both of them are carrying opposite sign, so you subtract them. You will get 3. But here again 11 is greater than 8, therefore 3 will be positive. It will remain positive. The answer will be 3. Okay. Now let us check up with question number 3. So question number 3, here the absolute value of minus 100 is 100 and absolute value of 49 is 49. Now see, both of them are having opposite sign. You will subtract them. You will subtract them. So you get here 10 minus 9 is 1. Okay, let me write this one properly. 10 minus 9, it will be 1, and here 9 minus 4, it will be 5. So 51. But again you see they are saying 100 is greater than 49. But 100 has actually a negative sign in front of it. Therefore, a negative sign will come in front of 51. Okay. A negative sign will come in front of 51. So your answer will be minus 51. This is how it has to be done. You have to understand whether the number is negative or positive and which one is greater. Now, let us take the example of question number 6 here only. If you see the question number 6, both of them are having negative sign. So what should be done in such cases? Let us concentrate on that. Now, here minus 250, its absolute value is 250. 150, its absolute value is 150. You will add the numbers as per the rule. You will add the numbers. Okay. Both of them are having same sign, remember. So 250 plus 150, your answer will be 400. But since both of them are having minus minus s sign, so there will be a minus sign in front of them. So answer will be minus 400. Okay. So this is how this has to be done. So let me know if you face any problem here also. So this is the rules of addition that you have to follow. Let me show you one more last. This is number 10. Question number 10. You see it is minus 89 plus 25. So here you have to first keep it in mind the absolute values. So the absolute value of minus 89 is 89. For 25 it is 25. Now see, this was minus 89, this was 25. You're supposed to add them. But here what you will do? But here what are you going to do? Minus 89 plus 25, you will subtract them if they are having opposite sign. So what is 89 minus 25? 9 minus 5 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6, 64. But you see 89 is greater than 25 and 89 is having what? A negative sign. So your 64 will have a negative sign. Therefore, minus 89 plus 25 will be minus 64. Okay. Moving on to next, we will be doing integer subtraction. So now integer subtraction, let us take an example that we want to subtract minus 2 and minus 3. Minus 2, minus 3. So as long as the integers are having same sign. So you see this one is minus 2, this one is minus 3. They are having same sign. In such cases what has to be done? Now here there is a take here when we are doing this. What exactly will happen? This is integer subtraction we are talking about. So let us just concentrate that this is a minus. Okay, this is a minus here. Instead of this minus, let us say this is minus 2 plus minus 3. Okay, minus 2 plus minus 3. So you can clearly see that from minus 2, if you add, you will have to go 3 steps to the left. This is a number line minus 2. They are saying minus 3, but here there is an addition sign. Okay, you can put an addition sign here whenever you are subtracting. You go 3 steps to the back, you will have minus 5. So your answer will be minus 5. This is one way of doing. Now the one that we have done in the previous slide where we were following the rules of addition, let's try to take that example. So minus 2 minus 3, absolute value of minus 2, absolute value of minus 3, uh, absolute value of minus 3. So this one is 2, this one is 3. Okay, this one is 2, this one is 3. This is a subtraction. Here you will be doing the addition. We have put addition. Now 2 plus 3, it will be 5. But since both of them are having negative sign, so minus 5. Remember the rule of addition that we were having. Okay. So if both of them are having same sign, you will add the number and you will put the negative sign here. Okay, we will put the negative sign here if as long as the numbers are having same sign. This is one thing. And let us say if they are having opposite sign, so minus 8, and let us say this is minus 2, and let us say you want to subtract, there will be a bracket here. Now in such cases what has to be done? In such cases what will you do? So always remember, whenever you are having a bracket and inside there is a number, in this case it is minus 2, in front of bracket there is a minus sign, you need to open this bracket. Once you open this bracket, that means if you remove the bracket, whatever is inside this, bracket, it will take up the opposite sign. If it is minus, it will come out as plus 2. If it is plus 2, it will come out as minus 2. Now since in this case it is minus 2, it will come out as plus 2. So it will become minus 8 plus 2. Now you are jumping from minus 8 to the right. Even if you follow the rule, you see this is a negative number, this is a positive number. Both of them are having opposite sign. You will subtract the numbers. Absolute value of minus 8 is 8. Absolute value of 2 is 2. Subtract the number, it becomes 6. But since 8 is bigger than 2 and 8 is having a negative sign, so 6 will be minus 6. Okay, this was the rule. So you have to remember the rule of bracket. What will happen if the bracket is removed? Okay, let me show you with another example. Let us say that we want to subtract 3 minus and minus 7. Now see, this is minus 7. If you remove the bracket, it will come out as 3 plus 7. And you will add the number, your answer will be 10. Let us say it is minus 7 and plus minus 7. Remove the bracket, it will come out as minus 7. Now see, this is minus, the in front of this positive sign, in front of this bracket there is a positive sign, but this is a minus 7, so it will come out as minus 7 only. This minus and plus, minus is considered to be of more dominating in nature, so it will come out and it will become minus. Your answer will be minus 14. Okay. So these are some of the rules that we have to understand when we are doing subtraction of integers. So now let us do this one. Subtract the first number from the second. So in the case of one number, first question, the 6 minus minus 11. There is a bracket here. Always put a bracket. So you see, removing the bracket will give us plus 11. So your answer will be 17. Okay, your answer will be 17. Now 7 and 2. First number from the second we have to subtract. So 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7. So here you see 2 is positive, 7 is negative. You will actually subtract the number, but since 7 is greater than 2, the sign will come back. It will become minus 5. In question number 3, which is minus 18 and minus 9, you have to subtract minus 9 minus minus 18. Remove the bracket, it will come out as plus 11 plus, sorry, plus 18. So minus 9 plus 18, both of these numbers contain opposite sign. One is minus, that is minus 9, another is 18, which is positive. You will subtract the number, you get 9, but since 18 is greater than 9, so there will be no negative sign. The answer will be positive 9. Okay, so answer will be positive 9. This one will be minus 5. Okay, now this is done. Let us say for minus 5 plus minus 5 and 7. So we have to subtract here. This question number 4. So minus 5 and 7. So we have to subtract 7 minus minus 5. Same rule, it will become plus. You get 12. In this case, you see both of them are additive inverse. Clearly the answer will be 0, right? Do you think so? You can check out, the answer will not be 0. I show you how. Although it is additive inverse, why it is not 0? Let's concentrate on this. So minus 16, we are subtracting 16. You see both of them are having minus minus sign. So if you go back and remember the rules of addition that we learned few minutes back, you have to, what you will do in this case, what you will do in this case, you can write it like this and you can check minus 16 plus bracket minus 16. So what you will do in this case, both of them are having same sign, so answer will have same sign, but you will add the numbers. Same sign numbers, you always have to add them. So if you add them, you get how much? Minus 32. So our answer is not 0, rather it is minus 32. Okay. So this is the way you have to do. Now this one is minus 34. So minus 34 minus 42. Same stuff. You see, in other words, you can just imagine how will you do it. Whenever you are having same sign, you have to add the numbers and the sign will come back. This is the simple rule you have to follow even if it is subtraction. So 4 plus 2 is 6, 4 plus 3 is 76, but since both of them are negative numbers, so it will be minus 76. Now here in this case, this will be different. Why it will be different? Let me show you. So it is minus 70, then we have to do minus 68. You have to remove the brackets here, so it will be minus 70 plus 68. Since both of them are having opposite sign, you will subtract the number, and you see 70 is greater than 68, so it's minus 2. The answer will be minus 2. Okay, so let me know how you are going to do question number 8. Okay, I would love to see your answers. So find the difference here. This one is easy, as you can see. This is 35 minus 20, it is 15. Then we have got 16 minus 36. It is 16 minus 36. 16 and minus 36. Absolute value is 16. Absolute value is 36. This one is opposite sign. This is not a positive number, but this is a positive number. You will subtract the numbers. So 36 minus 16, you get 0 and then 2, 20. But since 36 is greater than 16 and 36 is a negative integer, so this will be minus 20. Your answer will be minus 20. Okay, your answer will be minus 20. Now look at the next one. The next one is minus 32 minus 42. So minus 32 is in the bracket, minus 32 minus 42. Remember, if the first number is having a bracket, like in this case it is minus 32, but see there is no sign in front of minus 32. Had it been that there is a sign here and you remove the bracket, it will come out as 32. But there is no sign of minus. So when we open the bracket, it will be remain minus 32 and minus 42. Now you see picture is clear. Absolute value of 32, it is minus 32 is 32 and this is 42. You will add the numbers, you get 74, but since both of them are negative numbers, you will get minus 74 as your final answer. Okay, now look at question number 4. Question number is 4 is quite different. In question number 4 they are saying minus 13. Minus 13, this is in bracket, and then minus, and then again there is a bracket and minus 50. Now you are supposed to remove the brackets, so this minus 50, it will come out as plus 50. So minus 13 plus 50, both of them are opposite in nature, that is one is positive, another is negative. You will subtract the numbers. So what is 50 minus 13? You get 37. So your number will be 37 if you subtract them. Now you have to check which number is greater. You see 50 is greater than 13, right? 50 is greater than 13, and if you see it properly, 50 is having a positive sign, so your answer will be positive, that is 37. Okay, that is 37. Now look at question number 5. Question number 5 is minus 25 minus, then there is a bracket, if you have seen bracket, and then inside bracket we have minus 14. How it is going to affect now? Minus 25, this is bracket, minus minus 1 4. So remove the brackets. If you remove the brackets, you see this particular number, it will come out as plus 14. See, now this is minus 25, this is a negative number, this is a positive number. You will subtract it. 25 minus 14, you get 11. Okay, so now you see 25 is greater than 14. 25 is having a negative sign, so minus 11. Okay, this is how you have to do it. Now move to the next question. We have to solve and put greater than, smaller than, or equal to in this equation. So you have to solve them. You can use the previous knowledge that we have. Here we will do minus 45 minus minus, it will come out as 25. So you have to subtract the numbers since both of them are opposite in nature. So this becomes 20 minus 20. This one is minus 20, and here this is minus 25 plus 45. You will again subtract it. So you see this is also 20, but this one is positive 20. Now negative 20 and positive 20, obviously the positive number is bigger. Okay, obviously the positive number is bigger here. Now if you check the next one, we have got minus 20 minus minus 10. So minus 20, it will come out as plus 10. It will become minus 10. This one is minus 10. And this one is minus 30, minus 20. Both of them are having same sign. So you will add the number. This comes out at minus 50. So you see minus 10 is to the left of minus 50. If minus 50 is here, minus 10 will be here. It is to the left. Oh, sorry, it is to the right. Minus 50 is to the left of 10, minus 10, but minus 10 is to the right of minus 50. And anything which is to the right of any number, that's greater. So this is greater. Now this is minus 7 plus 16. So minus 7 plus 16, it will give you a number. So if you can see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, that's going to be 9. This is your 9, right? This is your 9, positive 9, and this one is minus 7 plus 16. Minus 7 plus 16. If you remove this bracket, it's going to be plus 16. They are going to give you 9. That means this is equal to minus 14 plus minus 14 will give you minus 28, and 14 minus 14 is 0. Now see, 0 is greater than negative numbers, so obviously this is greater. So 12 plus minus 12, if you remove the bracket, it will come out as 12 minus 12. So this is 0. 12, remove the bracket, it will come out as plus. So 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24 is bigger. Minus 35 plus 25, both of them are having opposite sign. You will subtract the numbers. It will come out as 0 and 1, but there will be a negative sign because 35 is greater than 25. And this one here, you will add the number, so it will become 60. So this is greater. This is how it is to be done. So using the number line, write the following integers. So 3 more than 5. So 3 more than 5 is obviously 8. However, if you have to make it, so this is 3, 3, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. So here you will be having 8, 3 plus 5. This is your question number 1. Question number 2 is 2 more than minus 1. So if this is your minus 1, so 2 unit more, minus 1, 0, 1. The answer is 1. 5 less than 2. 5 less than 2. If this is a number line, 5 less than 2, if this is 2, you are moving 5 unit to the left direction. So 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. So your answer will be minus 3 here. And 4 less than minus 4, I expect you to do it yourself and let me know if you have understood this or not.